everyone. My name is Mohammad Zain and I belong to Nagina, a beautiful and peaceful town in the district Bijnor in UP. My father is a dedicated businessman and my mother lovingly manage our home. I am blessed with two adult siblings and I am studying at Jamiatul Abrar. Alhamdulillah, this year I completed my Hifz Quran. Finishing the memorization of the Holy Quran in just 3 years is one of the biggest achievements of my life. Today, as I stand here, I feel proud, grateful and truly honored. My deepest thanks to Allah who made this dream possible for me. I am also sincerely thankful to Mufti Fahim sir, founder of this Jamia, and my special teacher Qari Jan Muhammad Sahab and my all teachers and friends whose efforts, work, guidance shaped me into a Hafiz. Their hard work will always remain a source of inspiration for me. Thank you very much.